Update after wearing the Nike Air Max 90 Dark Marina Blue for nearly 6 months. Welcome guys to a new video. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we are going to be talking about and giving you an update of the Nike Air Max 90 Dark Marina Blue. I'm going to be talking about the wear and tear, the goods, the bads, the uglies, and what I was wrong about when I first got the sneaker. If you guys enjoy sneaker videos, sneaker content, any of that good stuff, hit the like, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. And let's just jump straight into this re-review of the Air Max 90 Dark Marina Blue. I've been wearing them for 6 months now. They're really nice sneakers. But when I first got them, I was a bit hesitant about wearing them, right? When I first got them, because they were really stiff around the toe box. The reason I'm giving you an update on these sneakers is because I was wrong about them when I first got them, okay? When I first got them, they were really stiff around the toe box, which made them slightly uncomfortable. Now, I don't know about you guys, but for me, a Nike Air Max 90 should be a beautifully comfortable sneaker because they're made for running. They're made to be durable. They're made to be comfortable. They're made to be like the most comfortable sneaker ever invented. Air units, durability, all that good stuff. Breathable, so your feet don't overheat. Now, when I first got these, they weren't that breathable and they were really stiff, and I was really disappointed. I actually got them for Christmas for 100 quid. I ordered them on the Nike app, but over time they've changed, and the best thing about them is the actual wear, the feel, the overall comfort of them has changed completely from when I first got them to what they are now. Really weird as well. I can't really get my head around it. But basically, the leather has adjusted and molded to my feet. It's a really nice sneaker. It looks super dope on feet. It's stealthy. And I know it's a black sneaker, yeah? But my point I'm trying to get across about this sneaker is it's changed over time. And it's not something that you would expect straight away. And I wear these nearly like 3 or 4 times a week, depending on what work I'm doing, where I'm going, blah blah blah, all that stuff. But look at the state of them. These are like I would say they're sort of my beta sneaker at the moment. I love the heel plate on them, and that's why I bought them. But they're just super lightweight, and that when you're working is really important. No weight to them whatsoever. So they're light, they're comfortable. The leather has expanded and molded to my feet, which makes them more comfortable. And also, because there's not as much padding, they don't heat your feet up. So a lot of bonuses to the sneaker that I first thought weren't that comfortable. And for an Air Max 90, for me, if you get an uncomfortable Air Max 90, at first, I'm not really impressed by it. Because I collect so many and I've been wearing them for years, if the comfort isn't there straight away, automatically I'm going to mark them down. So I marked these as 7 out of 10 originally. I was really miffed as to why they were so uncomfortable. Anyway, I bared with it. Persistently wore them. Also double socked to break them in quicker. And now, oh mate, every time I put them on feet, I have a smile, like a little smile on my face. They make me happy. Sneakers should make you feel special when you put them on your feet. They should make you feel warm and fuzzy inside. That might be a little bit cheesy, but that's how they make me feel, alright? That's how I feel when I get a good shoe, put it on, it makes me feel intact, secured. That's the final piece of the fit. That for me is really important. Now, there's a couple of things I'm going to have to knock it down with. Again, I wasn't expecting greatness for this sneaker anyway, because essentially it's just a black sneaker, but I've got crease marks all around the toe box. Crease mark here, so because it's ripstop material on the toe box, it creases a lot easier, which is a bit unfortunate, but for better lightweight materials, you have to take a hit on some things. But age-wise on this sneaker, they're looking dope, man. They look super cool. I'm really happy with them. Basically what I'm trying to say, overall this sneaker has turned from an okay sneaker to a pretty good sneaker. I know it's jet black, it's a pretty plain Jane sneaker, I know that, but overall it's worn in so nicely that I'm wearing it a lot more than my other Air Max 90s. I know it's summertime, I should be wearing my bright colour sneakers, but for work I wear black sneakers only. I don't wear anything bright colour. I don't, well, actually, that's a lie. I wear my Air More Up Tempos every now and again, and they're sort of a grey colour. But these, they've just turned out so nice. It's so nice to get a sneaker that isn't great at the start, and it turns out really nice at the end. That for me makes it even better than just one that's really good at first. So it's kind of like you have a journey with the sneaker. It's kind of like a little story, and I think that brings specialness to a shoe. As you can see, they're a bit dirty. They've had their wear, definitely, but they're so soft and durable and flexible that you just don't get any irritation on your feet all day. They're lovely. They've turned out really well. I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. I don't feel like I need to go in great detail. The fact that these are reflective just makes them even more dope to me. Nike Air Max 90 is my favourite silhouette of all time out of any sneaker. But this one has surprised me. And also, the insole doesn't wear away. Really cool. But as you can see, they're really dirty, man. I wear these everywhere. You'll see in the video where I take them. I wear them to work a lot, so you're going to see orange trousers. I apologise for that, but it is what it is. But yeah, such a nice sneaker, man. Guys, let me know what you think of these. Would you buy them? I'm going to re-rate these sneakers a 9 out of 10. The reason I'm doing that is because they've surprised me. They've given me a good journey. Whether I wear them in the rain, the sun, sand, sea, whatever, wherever I'm going, you can clean them up really easy and they just turn out really nice again. So for that reason, they have to be scored highly. Very happy. A beautiful, beautiful shoe. Guys, let me know what you think of these. I think they look super dope. They're very messy, but I don't care. I'm just going to keep beating up and beating up. And maybe I might do a later review, and maybe in a year's time, just to let you guys know what I think of them overall. But for me, 9 out of 10. I think it's really important to do updates on sneakers purely because it's cool to see a sneaker when it's fresh, right? But we all need to know what's really important about them when they're aging. For me, that's the important part. We all need to know what it's going to look like in 6 months' time when it's hit the weather, hit the rain, hit the snow, been in a sandy environment. What's it going to look like afterwards? That's the most important part. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like, subscribe, turn notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have another update coming soon once I'm ready, once I've decided once I need to spill my emotions about another sneaker. But until then, I will see you in the next video. Peace!